holy martyr Quadratus of Corinth and his companions, March 10th. During the 3rd century Decian persecution, the physician Quadratus and his companions steadfastly confess Christ and endure brutal tortures, culminating in their martyrdom. A heads up in the spirit of transparency. Please be advised that this content may include martyrdom, torture, physical violence, persecution, and execution. In the 3rd century, during the reign of Emperor Decius, a time of severe trial for Christians, lived the holy martyr Quadratus in Corinth. He was a man of learning, skilled as a physician and a teacher. From his youth, Quadratus was nurtured in the Christian faith, dedicating his life not only to the study of medicine and the secular sciences, but, more importantly, to the diligent examination of the Holy Scriptures and the pursuit of salvation for souls. As the persecution against Christians intensified throughout the Roman Empire, a fierce decree from Emperor Decius commanded all to sacrifice to the pagan idols. In Corinth, the faithful faced immense pressure to renounce Christ. Saint Quadratus, along with his devoted disciples and followers, including Cyprian, Dionysius, Anectus, Paul, and Crescens, withdrew from the city. They sought refuge in the nearby mountains and hidden caves, where they continued to dedicate themselves to prayer, fasting, and the study of divine truths, preserving their spiritual life away from the worldly tumult. Their peaceful retreat, however, was eventually discovered by the persecutors. Soldiers apprehended the saints, binding them and bringing them back to Corinth. There they were presented before the Roman proconsul, Decian, who presided over their trial. The proconsul demanded that Quadratus and his companions renounce their Christian faith and offer sacrifices to the idols, promising them freedom and honors if they complied. Yet with unwavering resolve, the martyrs stood firm, confessing Christ as their Lord and God, refusing to deny him. Upon their steadfast confession, Proconsul Decian ordered that they be subjected to tortures. Their feet were beaten, and they were then dragged behind a chariot through the streets of Corinth. As they were pulled through the city, the watching crowd, incited against them, cast stones upon them and trampled them underfoot. Through these sufferings, the saints endured, their resolve unbroken, their hearts fixed on Christ. Finally, those who survived the prolonged torments were condemned to death. They were led to the place of execution. As a further test of their faith, they were thrown to wild beasts, but the animals, by divine will, did not harm them. Seeing that the beasts would not touch them, the authorities then ordered their beheading by the sword. Thus, St. Quadratus, Cyprian, Dionysius, Anectus, Paul, and Crescens completed their earthly struggle, offering their lives as a witness to Christ. The example of their courage and steadfastness inspired many other Christians in Corinth. Seeing the martyrs' unwavering faith, numerous believers voluntarily came forward, openly confessing their devotion to Christ, preferring death to apostasy. The Synaxarion records the names of several others who suffered on the same day, including another Quadratus, Victorinus, Victor, Nicephorus, Claudius, Diodorus, Serapion, Papias, and Leonides. Some of these new confessors were beheaded, others were drowned in the sea, and some were consumed by fire, each receiving a martyr's crown. At the very site where St. Quadratus and his companions were executed, a spring of pure water miraculously gushed forth from the earth. This spring became known among the faithful for its healing properties, granting restoration to those who drank from it with faith. Through their suffering and their miraculous witness, the holy martyrs Quadratus and his companions continue to be remembered and honored by the Church, their memories serving as a testament to the power of faith in Christ.